Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you the unboxing of DJI Osmo Action 4 camera. It's an adventure combo pack. This pack comes with an extension rod, battery and a battery case. At the back you can see some of the features of this DJI Osmo Action 4 camera. Here are the inside contents. Let's open this. The camera is made in China. Here you can see that made in China. So without wasting any time, let's open the package. At the back side of the box, they have clearly mentioned from where to open. Open this. Once you open the box, inside you have two more boxes. One is the Osmo Action 4 camera and one is for accessories. Let's open the accessories box first. Inside the accessories box, we get a charging cable, type C to type C, if you can see properly, and here is the adapter mount, and also with the adventure combo we get the battery pack. This is how the battery charger looks like. Inside the battery charger we have 3 batteries. Here you can see the lights on the battery charger. You can charge this battery pack using the type C charger. Inside we get the lens protector. You get the DJI stickers, quick start guide, some user manuals. Let's keep all these things aside. Let's open the other box which has Action 4, and also we get a extension rod inside the box. Here is the extension rod. First let's open the extension rod. This is how the DJI Action 4 extension rod looks. The build quality of this rod is pretty good. Let's open this. Here is a protection frame or case for your Action 4 camera, and also you get some accessories with that. This is how the case looks. Let's keep the case aside. You also get a adapter case inside. In total you will receive 2 adapter mount, and also you receive 2 locking screws. These are the 2 locking screws. If you want to use the DJI Action 4 camera for vlogs, you can remove the tape and fix it on your helmet, and you can use one of these rods to connect the Action 4 camera to your helmets. Finally, here is the Action 4 camera. It's the latest camera from DJI. This is how the DJI 4 Action camera looks. The build quality is pretty good. Let's remove the sticker from the lens. First let's insert the battery inside the Action 4. On the side where DJI printed, you need to press and slide like this, and it will open the battery cover. Now open the battery pack and remove one battery and insert it inside. And now you need to take a micro SD card. I highly recommend to get the SanDisk Extreme Pro if you are recording 4K videos on your action camera. Insert the micro SD card inside. Press the battery and the micro SD card so that they are properly fixed, and after that you need to close the hood. On the top you have the shutter button. You can use the shutter button to take photos and videos, and here you have the quick switch. Using this you can switch between videos or photos, and also you can turn off and turn on the DJI camera. And also when you open this slot you will have the option to connect your PC using the type C cable, and also you can use this to charge the camera also. And at the bottom you have the option to connect to the magnetic mounts. You will be getting this magnetic mounts. Simply press it like this and insert it properly. Once you have inserted the magnetic adapter, it looks like this. At the bottom you can use this handle and you can connect to this adapter like this, and you can use the screw system which is provided. Here you can see that you can tighten it like this. You can vlog using this handle like this. If you want to detach it, simply press it like this. You can detach the DJI camera. Adapter fixes over here, and on the other side, as is shown in the starting, you can insert the battery and the memory card, that is SD card. To turn on the DJI camera, you need to use the quick switch. Press once. Here you can see that the DJI camera is turned on. If you swipe down from the top like this, you will get the control center. Swipe up from the bottom, you will get the option to change the aspect ratio. And when you swipe either to the left or to the right from the middle, you have the option to change the modes: photo, slow motion, time lapse, like this. And if you want to change the zoom, you need to tap and hold 1x zoom, which is located at the bottom. You can use the slider like this to change the zoom. By default, the resolution is set to 1080p. If you want to shoot the video in 4K, simply click on the resolution which is present in the middle and simply change it to 4K and select the aspect ratio and the frame rate. That's it. Here you can see that now you can shoot 4K video 30 frames per second. And also you will be provided case with this DJI action camera. If you want to protect your action camera, you can always use the case. If you want to record the videos for Reels or TikTok, you can simply fix it in the vertical format also, like this. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.